So hello everyone, today in this video I am going to share something and that will help you to learn English language very quickly, and it's one of the most valuable habits in our life and that can change our lives very quickly. Today I have two books on my hand. Okay, sorry, in my hand. So you can see here there are two books. Okay, there are two books in my hand, and one of the book name is Master Your Mindset, and I have bought it recently. And another one is that The Art of Laziness. I have bought it almost 6 months ago. I have finished the book. And another one, I had a book, the Atomic Habits. But to be honest, just few minutes ago, my one of the friends, she took that book. Okay, so right now I have two books, and this Art of Laziness, I have finished it. So I have learned so many things from this book, and it's helped me a lot to learn this language very quickly. Here, if I talk about, you can see here I highlighted all the lines, important lines that was so important for our life to grow up. Okay, and this line was very valuable for mine. For this reason I highlighted all the lines. And another one is the Master Your Mindset. There are so many chapters, and it's this book especially for intermediate person. Beginner also can read, and according to intermediate it's best. Intermediate can understand very easily. It's they uses all the usable vocabularies just that we can use in our regular life. And the lesson from this book I have learned, I have read only two chapters from this book. Okay, let me tell you the chapter names at first. At first, Master Your Thoughts. This is a chapter, and I have wrote it. I have read it. Okay, and second one is Growth Your Mindset. I also have read it. Only two chapter I have read from this book, and I have fixed so many tiny grammatical mistakes. I have improved vocabularies from this book, and like uh, I have gathered some knowledges how to generate more sentences. Okay, instantly. So as I am saying, to be honest, I have not been practicing for the last almost few months, almost around 1 month. Okay, properly. In this, maybe I think within 1 month I have practiced only 2 days for 2 days, and it's quite bad impact for my English speaking. Okay, so it's the problem. And also it's right now, just from today on, it's started Ramadan month, and today I am what can I say, fasting. Yeah, I can say maybe fasting. Okay, so now here is the one things. If you want to learn what kind of things I have learned from this book that I have finished, if you want to listen it, if you want to improve yourself, you can tell me below in the comment box. I will share my experiences chapter by chapter, everything whatever I have learned from this book, and I guarantee you it will help you a lot to improve your spoken English. And another one, like the Master Your Mindset, I will read it at first, and after that I will start to share with you. Okay, and at first I can share this book with you if you interested to listen. So then you can comment below in the comment box. Okay, so that's the thing that's I wanted to say you, that if you want to improve very faster your speaking level, if you want to take your speaking level here to in the next level, then you should read a lot. Except practice must, but beside practice you can reading books. It's one of the most good habits, and it's really very helpful because I have been reading. I know it's very helpful. So that's all from this video, and I wanted to share these strategies that just read books and it can change your life. Okay, and it can change your English level, your fluency level, your grammatical mistakes, your thinking power, your sentence generating power instantly. Everything will be solved by reading, by only one strategies. So you can follow in this method, and I think, I hope that will help you a lot. And I am so glad to read this kind of books. Really, I feel very motivated. I just read this book to build my habit and to keep myself motivated. Okay, so for this reason I have bought it. And another one, I have another book, and the book name is As a Man Thinketh, but currently that book is not in my hand. It's took me one of my friend. Okay, so that's the thing, that's all. If you like want to improve first, then buy the book. Just you can, I have purchased it from Amazon. It's not like high amount of money, just maybe it was maybe around 200 or 200 around, I don't know exactly, forgot, because it was 6 months ago I have bought it, around 200. And it was only maybe 80 rupees, 80 rupees or 90 rupees, I think. Okay, so you can easily buy it from Flipkart, from Amazon, whatever you use. Okay, that's all. If you want to listen chapter by chapter what I have learned, if you want to gather knowledge, then let me know below in the comment box. I will share one by one from my learning from this book. Okay, that's all. And I am here to improve. I am here to improve myself. Okay, I am here to improve my communication skill, but also I am not being consistent to making videos continuously. Okay, so as a new channel, as a new learner, I make so many mistakes. But just if you caught any mistake from this video, just let me know. I will try to solve it. And I am a just learner. I have been learning English for the last few months. Okay, so I make so many mistakes. So don't ask me. Okay, I am here learner, and I am here to share my some experiences that can help you. If you willing to start your speaking, and if you are willing to start your English language. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That's all. See you soon in the next video. Bye.